Hey everyone, it's Sherry here from Inspired by Fitness, and today is day number 5 of our foam rolling challenge. So what we're going to do today is we are going to do a full body rolling routine together. We're going to take all of the elements that we learned this past week and add them together into a quick routine. When you're rolling on your own, you want to spend maybe a little bit more time than what we're going to do today, but just so what you can see as it can be a full body routine. Okay, so let's start. Grab your roller. I have my mat ready to go. All right, there we go. Awesome. Okay, so let's take it down on the mat. So what we're going to do is we're going to start today with our start with our neck. Okay, so feet flat on the floor, bum on the ground, and we're going to rotate our head from side to side. We hold a lot of stress and tension through the neck and through the upper traps. Good, you're gonna take your chin, you're gonna reach your chin down and up, down and up. Good, and then again, side to side. Excellent. Perfect. Good, okay, we're gonna take the roller, we're gonna move the roller down. All right, we're gonna put it under our shoulder blades. And we're gonna put our hands behind our head, we're gonna arch over the roller. And up. And back over, hold, and up. Excellent. You're going to cross your hands. Now you're going to lift your bum, and we're going to roll from just the top of our shoulders, our traps, to mid-back. And as I roll towards the traps, I'm going to lift my hips, put a little bit more pressure into those upper traps. Good. Good. All right, so from here, we're going to stay with the upper body. So we're going to do our lovely triceps that we rolled out yesterday. So forearm is on the roller. We're going to roll down towards the armpit and up. Rolling down and up. Good. One more time. Excellent. Good. And then we did not do this one earlier this week. So here we are. We're going to take the roller. We're going to place the roller right under our armpit. You don't want it too far up here. I want to be right on the roller, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to want to feel this right here in the back, okay? So we're laying on the roller, and I want you to take your upper body, and you're going to rotate your body forward and back, and forward and back. Good, one more time. Forward and back. Excellent, good. Okay, we're going to try this on the other side. Rolling out our tricep. So again, today, just doing a quick full body rolling routine. Again, when you're rolling on your own, maybe you want to spend a few extra minutes on some of these tender areas, but today just a quick one to see what it looks like. Remember, you can rotate your hand forward, down to the ground, back up to the ceiling. All right, roller under the shoulder. We're going to rotate the body, or sorry, not under the shoulder, under the armpit, rotating the body forward and back. Good, one more time. Excellent. Good. All right, now onto your hands and knees. Tabletop position, we're going to place the roller right under the quads. Remember, engage your core, hold your core in, your tummy in. We're going to rotate, or so roll from pelvis towards just above knees. And we're going to turn your heels together, toes to the outside. Rotate the legs, toes together, and heels to the outside. Big roll. Good, legs up and down. You're going to hold at one tender spot. So one tender spot, just hold. Bend one leg, extend. Bend one leg, extend one more time. Good. Wiper from side to side. Good. Switch. And bend. Excellent. Wiper side to side. That's it. There we go. Whew, nice. Okay, we're going to come on up. We're going to sit on our roller. Here we go. And we're just going to gently rock forward and back. Be careful not to fall off here, okay? Now, we did do this one this past week. So we're going to extend the front leg. We're going to keep the back leg bent. So last day we did the IT band where we brought it over. Today we're going to keep this leg back. All right? We'll get to the IT band. Don't you worry. Bring your hand back nice and far. And what I'm going to do is I have one planted foot, one glider leg. This hand here can be added support to support the body. I'm going to roll from just above knee, and I'm going to extend. As I extend out, I'm slightly leaning back towards the ceiling, so I'm hitting more of the cushier part of the hamstring and the glute. All right, here we go. Rolling out and in, out and in. Good. There's some nice tender spots. You can spend a little extra more time on those. Bringing that leg over. Now we're gonna rotate your hip into the roller. This is the IT band, leg parallel to the floor. Hip is perpendicular to the roller. Big roll from just above knee all the way to hip. Excellent. Nice. And we're gonna find a nice tender spot on that IT band. There's a nice tender spot. I'm gonna do some push-ups. So I'm gonna do a little mini push-up. I'm gonna rotate my body, okay, and my hips. I wanna rotate my hips. Excellent. All right, let's try it on the other side, okay? Back leg bent, front leg straight. Here we go. Rolling, woo, all the way into the glutes. Cushier part of the hamstring and glutes. Excellent. Lean back. Good. You can go right up into the hip here. Nice. All right, bring that foot over. We're going to turn our hip into the roller. Nice IT band. Here we go. Again, big roll. So just above knee, all the way to hip. Good. I'm just going to move it down a little bit here. There we go. Find a nice tense spot. We got the push-ups. We're going to push up. We're going to rotate our hips. Push up. Rotate your hips. Push up. Rotate your hips. Excellent. I'm going to sit down on my bum. We're speeding through this today. You can spend a little bit more time at home, okay? We're going to lift, so you can do your hamstrings and your calves one at a time, or you can do them both at a time if you like. Heels together, toes out. I'm going to rotate my legs, toes together, heels out to the side. Excellent. And I'm going to move it down to the calves. I'm going to do the same thing here. Good. Heels together and toes out. And we're going to shift our legs, toes together, heels out. That's it. Whew. Good. And we're going to finish off today with one stretch. So laying down on our back. We're going to take the roller under our hips. That's it. Extending one leg. Actually, let's extend this leg first here. Bending the second leg. Gently bringing the knee into the chest, slightly out to the side. My extended leg is nice and straight. Heels pushing into the floor. I'm opening up my hips. I'm opening up the pelvis. Excellent. And we're going to switch. Breathe. That's it. Holding the stretch. Good. Bending your knee. Lift your hips. Take the roller away. Whoo! And in a nutshell, there we go. We did a really quick rolling video today. Or rolling routine. So, thank you so much for joining me and joining us. These are some of the benefits of using the roller, increasing your mobility, increasing speeding up the recovery. You can do it before exercise, after exercise. Really, you can do it anytime. Okay, so if any questions, concerns, reach out to us, Inspired by Fitness. I will be happy to help you. And thank you for joining us this past week. And we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, guys.